Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you an amazing experiment done by Google Labs itself. So Google Labs have created a lot of AI experiments which are tested at Google itself and updated on a daily basis. And the name of the AI tool which I'm going to show you is Opal, where you can create amazing mini AI apps in seconds. So before we dive deep into it, kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it supports me a lot. And let's check out this website first. So it says build, edit, and share AI mini apps using natural language, which means AI itself. So you can also create a blog post writer where it researches a topic and writes a blog post about it automatically. So here are some already made presets for the app which you can try or else create a whole new app on the UI which I'll show you in a bit. But first let's explore some of this. Wow, look at the aesthetic of the website too. It's pretty clean, good and minimalistic as you can see. So there is book recommendations, business profiler. So these are already made templates which you can just click on and you can use it as per your preference. So there is also a quick YouTube video about Opal itself, how it is, how it works, and bring your ideas to life with Opal. No code creation, which means it is a direct made AI mini app on the website itself without any code. Like you won't be able to see in-depth code about the app, so it's pretty good. So this is really good for people who are not that technical and want to make AI apps and random prototyping, innovative visual editing. So let's get into it and I'll show you how you can create your own basic mini app. First, you have to log in using your account and then we can move forward. Select all, continue. I'll just show you a basic mini app including all its features, and then you can create whichever app you want as per your preference. It can be anything which is created, which is able to be created on this experiment called as Opal. So as you can see, there are already made presets which you can directly use. You can just click on it and it will be opened and you can edit it as per your need, or you can just create a whole new app. So I'll just show you how to create a new one, as you can already edit this one by opening up. So let's click on create new and let's build your app. If you want to quickly check the demo video, you can just click on the link over here, or let's type the prompt for an app. So here is my prompt for the app. It's a prompt for creating an app that asks the user for a stock ticker, which means that it's for stocks, as in stock market, which uses web search to find the latest three news headlines, summarizes the sentiment of those headlines, and outputs a formatted report. It's not going down, so let's click on generate and let's see how it does. So basically we are creating an AI mini app for stock ticker. So this is the whole workflow, and it has already decided on a app name which is stock plus, which helps you get all the latest top 3 stock news and sentiment analysis instantly. So bear in mind that this is a trial mini kind of an app which I am creating to show you its capabilities in Opal. So this is the whole workflow. This being the user input. Actually, you can just click on here and input it yourselves too if you want to. And this is the generate kind of a thing where you are giving the LLM prompt the settings that you are an expert with the all prompt kind of, you can say, prompt engineering kind of a thing for the LLM to understand what this is about, then summarize the sentiments and create it. So you can also click on console to see how all these 4 step work and its end result. So let's click on start and enter the stock ticker symbol. So let's check out for Apple, which is, I think so, AAPL. It's gonna think and show the headlines or latest news regarding the stock symbol, which is Apple itself. You can see this working in the backend using console. As you can see, this is the input which I entered on the stock ticker input. So these are all nodes in basic information. As you can see, this is a whole node. And in console, you can see this is calling Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is the LLM model which it is using right now to create our own AI app. So as you can see, this is all the outputs in the backend. It is still running, and in the preview, you can see the exact details. AAPL is Apple itself, its stock price, and you can see all the latest news regarding Apple. Apple exceeds Q4 financial year 25 earnings and revenue expectations, which is pretty good, which is nice. So these are all the latest news regarding Apple itself. Sentiment mixed. The overall market sentiment for AAPL is currently mixed with differing analyst opinions. So let's go again and refresh, and let's try another stock as Tesla. Let's check out Tesla. So this is how you can create an whole AI app. I'm just showing you the stock kind of an app, but you can create anything related to AI and which is available to be created on Opal itself. You can manually drag and drop the nodes if you want and connect it and create a whole new app if you are a technical person, or else you can just use this prompt and Opal itself will create a whole workflow for you using the connected nodes. So as you can see, financial dashboard, your overview of market movements and news, stock ticker symbol TSLA, which stands for Tesla. These are all the headlines regarding Tesla, all the latest news. And you can also see the market sentiment summary, which is currently mixed. You can download it if you want as a file. And as you can see, this is a mini app. Let's try to add some more customizations in this app itself. So let's give a prompt about how to upgrade it. Let's add a built-in tool for web search. So ensure the generated steps correctly include a search node, and the prompt for the generate step references the search results. So let's add a node for it. The more accurate prompt you give, the more accurate node and the coding it will do for the app. So we have added web search, which uses the Google itself to check the information, which to double check the information and source the news and accurate information from the web search, which is Google. Extract all the information from the internet and show it here in the app. Let's add few more updates into the app itself. Let's see. Let's add core building apps which test the user input for the ticker. the generate step for the summary and sentimental analysis, and the output step for selecting a spreadsheet or a formatted web page output type. Let's add this and see how it works. You can also wait, it's running. Let's ask for data, see if it gives it out or not. And also, once you create a whole app using this node workflow, you can also share it, as you can publish your own Opal, use this on a different device too. You can just copy it and give it to your friends, and your friends can use this mini AI app which is created on Opal. And yeah, you can also upgrade the code, add few more updates and notes, and yeah, NVIDIA. It's pretty good. You can create a lot of apps on Opal, and it's completely free to use. Completely free. So, latest news headlines. You can see all the news related to Nvidia stock over here, and even the sentiment of the market. You can also change the theme of the app. You can use randomize, and it will create something similar to the app itself, like a new theme. So yeah, as you can see, this is the image which we chose from the themes. And this is how you can create mini AI apps in Opal. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel to be updated about AI tools which I'll be covering next. Thanks for watching.